Hey friends, and welcome to my channel Lotus Geek. This video is specially for all those who has got a low-end PC and wants to run Windows 11 with a good speed in your Windows system. So here I have come up with few tweaks that you can do to increase the speed of Windows 11 and reduce the disk usage of your Windows PC. Without wasting time, let's go ahead and proceed. Click on the start menu and type run. Open an application and type here appwiz.cpl and then hit the enter key. In this wizard, uninstall all the things that are not required by you. For example, OneDrive is not required by me, so I'll go ahead and uninstall it. Second thing you need to perform in your settings menu. In settings menu, under the system, click on power and battery. And here in the power mode, make sure you select the best performance plan for your system. Next thing you can do is to click on this accessibility tab and here click on visual effects. Turn off animation effects. Now click on privacy and security. Click on general tab. From here turn off all these three options that are eating up your memory. Nextly is click on system tab and click on storage option. Here turn on your storage sense option, which will automatically delete the temporary files present in your system. Nextly is click on this gaming tab, click on game mode, and if you are not playing any game, turn it off. Now close it. Now the next method you can do is to click on start menu and type run. Open an application and type here temp and hit the enter key. Select all these files by pressing Ctrl A button and then delete all of them. Again open run command and this time type here prefetch and then hit the enter key. Delete all these files also. Now again open run command and this time type here clean mgr and then hit the enter key. Choose your drive, which is drive C, and hit the OK button. These are the extra files that are still remain, which is eating up your space and your disk usage. Now hit the OK button. Now next thing you can do is, if this widget you are not using at all, you can remove it easily by clicking on the start menu and type PowerShell. Run PowerShell as an administrator. Here you need to paste a command and then hit the enter key. Now once it is uninstalled, close it. This is how we have removed the widget option from your Windows 11. And lastly you can do is to open your web browser and download a tool with the name OptiGrade. Click on this code option and click on the option download zip. Save it in your system. Open the folder and unzip the file. Open it and run OptiGrade with run as administrator. Click on more info and choose run anyway. Now here you need to choose the second option, which is all the features. Now here the all features available. The very first option that you need to choose is to enable the ultimate performance power plan by typing the key 1 and then hit the enter key. Click on show additional plans and here is the ultimate power option available in front of you. Once chosen, nextly you can do is, which is even my favorite, enable compact operating system. Press the 2 key and then hit the enter key. This command will take up to 15 minutes to process and then it will compress your Windows 11 up to 50%. So in the meantime, I'll go ahead and minimize it and show you the more features of this software. Nextly you can do is to uninstall Cortana or uninstall Edge if you are not using each of them by typing the 3 and 4 key one by one to uninstall both Cortana and Edge from the system. Once this is completed, close it and restart your system and try to run Windows 11. This time you will be in a completely new interface of Windows 11 with a minimum of disk usage and a maximum of space with a great quality of speed. So this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to continue receiving more such updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.